Alright, today on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King, we're going to talk about the new Tempur-Pedic Ergo adjustable base they introduced this year. They introduced also a new cool feature. Instead of buying two twin XLs for your king mattress, you can buy a horizontal king setup. Instead of having two motors, you have one motor, and that'll save you $500, and you can put that towards your mattress. First though, today we're going to show you how to install and unbox. I need my mattress prince and princess to show us how to do that first, so let's head over there. Alright, we're over here. It wouldn't be a pillow talk with the Mattress King with a little magic letting my mattress prince and princess show up, so let's make this happen. Let's do this. Alright, let's do this, guys. Alright, first step, once you get all the plastic off and the box off, find the orange zip ties. Those are important parts. You got your box, got some power cords, you have your retainer bar, so make sure you cut those off and separate those before you flip it over. Alright, the best way to do this I find is to actually take it completely out of the box. This is kind of a three-person job, so we have my prince and princess. We're going to lift it up and Emily's going to slide the box out. Alright, first step is install the legs. Alright, then you want to grab this box right here. Pretty important stuff in here. We got the power cord, C-clamps that actually attach the frame together. We'll show you how that works. The C-clamps actually go on right here. When you line it up, you're going to have to fit it around this bad boy and screw the bolts through it. We'll show you in a second. Alright, so I'm going to show you, this one was a little difficult, so I want to give you a close-up to show how this really works up. So you grab the C-clamp and the long bolt and the short bolts. There'll be four short little bolts. We actually have them installed right here, but you'll put them in here, here. We have two finished for you to show you how it's done, and then that C-clamp. That C-clamp goes over the frame there, like so. And then you actually line up these long bolts, push that bad boy through, go through the other end, and you'll grab your nut. It comes with a wrench and an Allen wrench. Hold your Allen wrench and your wrench, and you'll torque both of these bolts on. Get these four to be nice and tight for you. You'll plug in these two cords right here. They're labeled 2 and 3. They're disconnected on this end. They'll actually be sitting on these little plastic clips right here. You'll pop those in. You'll grab your power cord. Find this guy right here with the two little wires poking out. That actually goes on this bad boy. Grab the other end of your plug that actually goes into the outlet. You'll fit these two pieces. Make sure that's on there nice and snug. And you'll plug this into your power, and then we're going to flip this over really quick. Alright, last couple steps here. We're going to install the retainer bar. Put that end here, pull it across a little bit. You'll fit it into the hole back here. We need power. Install the batteries. Make sure it works. Looking good. Lastly, I need a mattress, my scepter, and my mattress princess. Whoa! Alright, here you go. Try it out, have some fun. What I would recommend, full disclosure, this base was not very fun to install. I would have a delivery team do the delivery and setup for you because this took a little bit and it was a little more difficult than the Ergo Extend. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next week. Thanks for tuning in for Pillow Talk with the Mattress King.